Hopefully no rain today and no migraine, right? Today is the first weekend of autumn and I'm still in shorts. The last time I painted here was in April. Why did it take me so long to come back here? Well, my piece that I painted here last time, the plastic bottle, actually lasted for a couple of months. Exactly April, May, June, July, August. 5 months. 5 months. So it is a very personal record. A piece here that lasted that long throughout spring and summer. Well, the piece is gone. Anyhow, I'm back here, Jerome Street, still East London. Let's paint some paper. Right, classic background, but even before I start painting, let us go to the folding station and see what's shaping. Come on. Right, can you tell what it is? And now, can you tell what it is now? Maybe this angle. Well, I struggle a little bit with it. I struggled with the legs. So I kind of, at some point, I kind of abandoned the geometric proportion of the original model. So it's kind of a skewed, but hey, it's all about painting quick. It means today I'll be rushing again. Right, so I finished the cardboard. Well, I struggled with it a little bit, especially with those long shadows. I think I'm getting the hang of it. But yeah, this is the moment where I need to stop working on this cardboard stand because it's getting late. Yeah, very happy where I am, and yes, I'll be rushing for the rest of the day. But can you tell already what it is? Is it better now? Does it make any sense what this is? Let's ask second opinion here. Look who's just arrived. Do you recognize this gentleman from the previous video? Paul, what take you so long to get here? It's almost 2 p.m.
Petrol, basically. Petrol crisis in the UK.
Yeah.
So, yeah, no petrol anywhere. So I managed to get some and here I am.
So officially it's the apocalypse, but we're still painting.
Yep.
Well done for coming regardless and just smashing it. What are you working on today?
It's Porky Pig character, but I'm not going to go into full details. You can find out at the end, hopefully, when I'm done.
Right, I'm halfway through. I'm very happy with the progress so far, especially that I finished the most intricate bits of this animal. As most people don't know what it is yet, but well, I had few people being right what animal that is. Anyhow, now the head is finished. I simplified it as much as possible just to be able to finish in time before it gets dark. Very happy with those colors here, with those double shadows here. Yeah, now for the next 2 hours, I have big flat, semi-flat surfaces. So I'm going to rush, but I'm confident I'll be able to finish it in time for before the sunset. Really nice flat surfaces. So yeah, very happy. We're very happy where I am. Yeah. Let's see how Paul is doing. Whoa. He's very busy, so I'm going to let him kind of finish because he's rushing as well. Back to the origami thingy. I need to pee. It's a lovely balmy Sunday afternoon here. Right, I'm rushing as fuck. This is so poorly painted for my standards, but anyway, as you can see, dramatic light. The sun will disappear behind the building in a second, and then it's just countdown to sundown, twilight zone, and all this shit. I have the top to do, and tidy up the background. So it is possible for me to finish today, and I will. Top is so rushed, but the sun is behind the building. It's 40 minutes to 6 p.m, so I'm going to tidy up, and it is what it is, really. I can't afford spending more time tomorrow coming here in the morning to take the photos and videos like last week. I need to just know when to stop, and this is the time. This is when I stop. Well, thankfully, I have a matching can to do the cutbacks, so that saves me a lot of time, really. Right, what is it? So origami creature is finished. Were you right? It is an origami frog. Does it look like a frog? I think it looks like a frog. Well, another day, another weekend, another Sunday here in East London. I'm happy with the fact I came back here and changed up the spot a little bit. Some juicy details, what do you think? This has to be my favorite detail, that leg. Well, I had to simplify it. In the model, there are like double layers here. I just made it simple so that I can finish in time, and it paid off. Cardboard, an amazing detail to paint, really. I really enjoy it. It's really playful. Those layers, that ruggedness, fun, fun, fun. Fun, fun, fun. In today's vlog, is there a story? Not really the story. I was, well, apart from the fact that I was rushing, still happy I came here regardless. What car? We'll see how long this piece will last here. There were some street art tours and so on and so forth, so plenty of people know it's here. Got new contacts, got new followers. Well, it's working for me. Well, a typical vlog, I guess, for me. I'm happy I came here and challenged myself to paint something which is not an origami crane car. Last two vlogs, I really pushed it, painting cranes, because I didn't have time. So today, I really had to just come back really strong with a model, which is not a classic. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. My name is Airborne Mark. I'm a London-based street artist, passionate about folding and painting origami. Does it look like a frog? I don't know. Anyhow, and as always, origami riots, folding all day, every day, and I'm out.